all alone. It's easy to feel like you don't need help, but it's harder to walk on your own. You'll change inside when you realize welcome to life and everything's bright from beginning to end. When you have a friend by your side, it helps you to find the beauty you are when you open your heart and believe in gift of a friend, gift of a friend, someone who knows when you're lost and you're scared. They're through the highs and the lows, someone to count